you. Ah! Now my arm. What in the fuck is going on here, ladies? Are we doing it? Babe! And this is sticky!
We gotta fix this.
You are a doofus.
Where are the instructions?
And you've embarrassed me in front of my friends. Babe! Ah! That almost went in my hair! Okay.
Okay, sweetie.
Okay!
Just sit down. Just sit down.
Oh no, now I have to change my pants.
Hey, you're all wet.
Oh, I wonder how that happened, you fucking idiot.
You dribbled a little bit.